Hi, today we are in my local ski resort and I want to test it out. Is the Dji Neo any good at following you on a slopey terrain? Will it keep up or will it just crash somewhere? And we'll also see how it copes when there's minus 10 degrees outside. Will the battery last or will it just fade away, or well, we'll see what will happen. I have it in follow mode and I think it's in close mode and mid range. Oh yeah, and I don't snowboard or ski anymore. I have a snow trike with what I ride. So okay.
Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
At the moment it worked pretty well. Okay, I will connect it this time again with the phone, so I can be sure if it gets lost I know where it is. Maybe I start it from here.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's tracking me, we got really close.
There's only embers left. The world was a fire. Only got me feeling tired. Just aching in my chest. It's like a live wire. And the only way it's gonna end is when I can see you again.
Alright, please, I'm here. Turn up.
Follow. Unable to take off. Ambient temperature too low.
What?
Aircraft on and wait for it to warm up.
Ambient temperature too low. Okay, it will affect a bit. Let's go and warm it up. Maybe it will fly again. Okay, I'm warm now. I hope you are also. Well, it's minus 11, so let's go and try again. Okay, let's see if it's any good in the slalom. Will it keep up or crash? I think it maybe will hit the sticks. Whoa! Too much. Okay, it lost me. Let's control it back. In internet I saw some pictures that have leaked about the DJI's product called tracking bacon. If it would work with DJI Neo and have a much better tracking lock on you, so it won't lose you so easily. Well, what can I say? It kinda does work and does not. When you go straight line and don't twitch so much, do any left or right sharp turns, and have some space, then it does follow pretty nicely. But when you go into jumps behind trees, pick up some speed or change directions very fast, it may lose you. And it's also good to keep your phone connected, because if it loses you, maybe you are in the Wi-Fi area and you have some kind of connection, so you can fly it back to you. Yeah, it was nice to test it out. I'm sure I will use it more that way, but of course we'll have it connected with my phone. I really hope you had any help from this video and that experience. So be careful when you use it in ski resorts.